Look at the base of this one. The fibers look strong. Yeah.
Yes, much better quality than the last row we checked.
Yeah.
We should focus the harvest here first.
Make sure you cut them clean. We need 3 more bundles for the truck.
Stack these higher, we need room for the next batch. Yeah. All right, watch the forklift coming through. Secure that corner first. All right, stacking it now.
Keep coming back. A little more to the left.
Slow it down, it's not clean enough. Okay. Okay, dialing it back.
The tensile strength on this lot is holding up well. Yes, but check the consistency here. It's slightly uneven compared to the standard.
The pineapple fibers undergo a multi-stage automated softening treatment, transforming the raw material into fine, consistent strands. Flexibility seems consistent with the last batch. Diameter is holding steady at 2.5 millimeters. Good. Record the tensile strength results. The treatment significantly enhances the softness while maintaining durability.
The texture is excellent. This meets our quality standards for the premium line.
Look at the crimp stability here. It's not matching the specification on the tablet. The texture seems slightly coarse compared to the standard. The spectrophotometer confirms the L value is within tolerance. Good. The color saturation is consistent across the sample. Monitor the levels in the black dye tank.
Levels confirmed. Starting the rinse cycle on the red fibers now.
The fibers are carefully monitored in the drying chamber to ensure uniform quality and color fastness before the final stages of production.
Organized by color and quality, these enormous quantities of dyed pineapple fibers showcase the impressive scale of this facility.
Utilizing specialized tools, workers carefully align the pineapple fibers onto preparation racks, ensuring perfect uniformity for the next stage of processing. The waves are setting consistently on batch 3.
Quality check confirms structural integrity. These pineapple fibers are surprisingly consistent. Look at the sheen on this straight sample. Yes, but this curly batch still shows too much breakage during the comb test.
Our quality laboratory meticulously evaluates hair textures, monitoring performance under simulated stress to guarantee durability.
Monitor the alignment closely. The machine keeps shifting slightly.
I'll adjust the tension settings on the next run. Are these lace components ready for the production trays? Yes, they've passed the initial inspection. Organize them by color code, please. These meet the quality standards. Go ahead and tag them for the finishing department. Copy that, moving them now.
Are these pineapple fibers ready for the next batch?
Yes, I just finished steaming the last set. They should be perfect now.
Check the density on this batch. It seems a bit low compared to the spec sheet.
Yes, I agree. Mark this lot for review.
Check the strand direction on this bob. Looks good.
This blonde unit passes inspection.
Crafted from premium pineapple fibers, our wigs showcase a realistic hairline and uniform density, providing unmatched natural movement.